I need a train ticket. One ticket to New York, please. Is this a one-way ticket? Is it a round-trip ticket? When is the next train? What time does the train leave? How much is the ticket? Can I buy a ticket here? Where can I buy a ticket? Is there a discount for students? I need a ticket for tomorrow. Can I reserve a seat? I want an economy class ticket. I'd like a first-class ticket. Do you accept credit cards? Where is the ticket counter? Is there a train to Boston? How long is the journey? Which platform does the train leave from? Can I get a window seat? Do I need to change trains? What time does the train arrive? Can I get a refund? Can I change my ticket? Is there a luggage limit? What time should I arrive at the station? How often do the trains run? Do you have express trains? Can I see the train schedule? Where is the nearest train station?